Welcome to Trade with EMH channel. Today we are going to show you the Wockhardt Pharma stock analysis. Here is the stock. You can see, as we predicted yesterday, the stock was up. You can see 10% up. Our prediction has been successful. Okay, let's see the prediction for 22nd April 2021. Let's go to the charts. You can see this is the 15 minutes chart. Here each candle represent 15 minutes. Here you can see, here is the support. Here is the support. You can see here, this is the support that is at 480.50. Now the stock price is 506. Here in the 15 minutes chart, the parabolic SAR is showing downtrend, and the RSI also trending down, and the MACD has been given down signal, as the volume also decreased here at the last 15 minutes. Here increased and decreased the volume. Okay, let's go to the here. Chart is something different. Anyhow, here let's go to the daily chart. Here is the resistance, that is at 562.55, and here is the support, that is 488.30, and the 1-day candle has been successfully broken this 488.30 resistance and made this resistance as a support. Okay, now if the volume is continuously increases, then this can easily break 562 also in coming days, and for tomorrow it can reach up to 562 rupees, that is nearly to 562 rupees, if the buyers show their interest in this stock. Okay, as the volume also, you can see here, volume also increased, and the RSI is also trending up, and the MACD is given here the signal, and now here the VR, it's only up only now also. RSI increasing, and let's zoom and see. Okay, here the parabolics are also, you can see parabolics are is down, that means this is uptrend. Okay, and here the stock is above 200-day moving average, exponential moving average, that is also bullish sign. And here you can see the stock is moving like this direction. It gone up like this and came down, and now again it's trying to like this, and again it's now trying to go like go like this, up direction. You can see like this, and like this, the stock is moving. Okay, up direction only. Here the volume also increased, RSI is up, and MACD also up, showing as is cut here. Okay, let's zoom out these charts. Here you can see, here the support has been taken as 200-day moving exponential moving average, and this is the resistance here, broken and made as a support. Now this is the support for the stock, that is 488.30. Okay, the 1 day candle has been broke out the resistance and made it as a support, and now this will go to broke this 562 resistance. Next target is 562. The stock may reach 562 in upcoming days if the buyers shows interest. Okay, tomorrow also it may go near to 562. Let's move to the weekly chart. Time is taking long. Okay, here also this each candle represents one week. Here the candle is not yet formed, this is forming as the week is not completed yet. You can see here is the support at 420. Okay, here the resistance is at 693 point. From 693.67 the stock is a resistance. So in upcoming weeks, that is in these upcoming days, this can reach up to 693. Okay, as this is forming above the 200-day moving average. This is the 200-day moving average, red line. Okay, above the 200-day moving average, the stock will become bullish, and here the parabolic star is showing downward, forming downward the candle. This means that the stock is up trend. Okay, as per the parabolic star, and the EMA cut also up. Okay, now see to the volume. The volume has been increased this week rapidly, and the RSI is going up, and MACD is about to cut up but not yet confirmed. Okay, it's okay for it may go up. Let's see the long term, that is monthly chart. Here the MACD has been given cut signal. This is okay, here little decreased, and here the RSI is okay, 56, moving up and down and down and up. RSI moving like this, up and down, and again it's going up. RSI again moving up direction, and here you can see volume increased this month, again going to increase, and this month is not yet completed. Okay, as the candle is here is the support at 421 in monthly chart, and the resistance is at 695. This can reach up to 695 in a long term, that is in upcoming days. Okay, the EMI is okay, showing bullish. This month will be bullish only, I think so. Okay, this can reach up, in coming days. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. And this is just prediction only, so I am not responsible for any profit or any loss. Okay guys, check before trade yourself whether to trade or not. Take perfect decision yourself. No, don't depend on any YouTube channels or anyone like me or anyone who tells you to trade or not. Don't just blindly do that. You cross check yourself and take decision whether to trade or not. You must know the knowledge to analyze the chart. Okay, do paper trade if you want. Practice as much as possible in paper trading. Don't go for diet trading without knowledge. Okay, learn. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.